Wow, their merienda is very masarap. Yan, budal pipe na sila guys. Meron silang juice, Nesty. Yan, si Idol A at si Idol B. Yan, hinila yung upuan niya guys. And gusto niya mag-relax. And of course, yan, namimil na siya. Namimil siya guys. Ang kanilang kinakain ay, ayan, may cake, saka pansit, tapos may halong diko. Yan. And very masarap siya guys. Kasi bagong luto. Yan guys. Medyo makalat lang kasi si Adam. Yan guys. Pero it's okay lang. No problem. Wow. Yan, walang arte-arte yan, ganyan.